Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe to make Chana Sundal at home. This is a very easy and healthy snack. It is loaded with proteins and good for weight loss. So I am going to start by soaking chana overnight in water. I have used 250 grams of chana. The next day for evening snack, I am going to add the chana in a pressure cooker. Add 1 glass of water, teaspoon of salt to taste, and I am going to pressure cook it for 3 whistles. 3 whistles are enough and the chana will cook very nicely. Now the chana is cooked. Let's start preparing the sundal. For this, in a kadai, I am going to take 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Into this oil, I am going to add 1 large size onion which I have roughly chopped, handful of curry leaves, 5 dried red chilies which I have chopped, and 6 cloves of garlic which I have sliced. Now saute it for few seconds. Into this, I am also going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Fry it for a couple of seconds. Combine it nicely. Now into this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix it well, and into this I am going to add in the chana. You can adjust and add salt according to your taste. Now combine everything nicely and you can turn off the flame. Your easy and healthy chana sundal is ready. I am going to garnish it with some chaat masala powder which is optional, and also going to add some chopped coriander leaves. Your healthy sundal is ready.